This is the letter K. Big K, little k. The letter K makes a sound k, like in kite. A lot of words begin with the letter K, like kitten, kiwi, koala, king, kick, and kitchen. What else begins with the letter K? K is for... That's right, kangaroo! What is a kangaroo? Kangaroos are large, strong animals with long tails and powerful back legs which help them hop. They can have soft fur that can be gray, red, or brown. And mommy kangaroos have a tummy pouch where babies are carried. Their babies are called joeys. Kangaroos mostly live in the grasslands and forests of Australia, where they can find plenty of grass and leaves to eat. They are social animals and often live in groups called mobs. Kangaroos can use their strong hind legs to kick and defend themselves. What are the parts of a kangaroo? I see a tail, pointed ears, an oval head, long feet, and little arms. Let's look at some different kangaroos for ideas. What do you see? I see kangaroos in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a kangaroo. Let's draw a kangaroo. You need paper, black marker, and we're going to do 1, 2 small circles with 1, 2, easy buddy, small circles on the inside. We're going to color those in. Those are going to be our kangaroo's eyes. We're going to go underneath and a little bit below and do a sideways oval. We're going to color that oval in, and that's going to be our kangaroo's nose. From the bottom oval of the nose, we're going to do 1, 2 curved lines. And now we have our kangaroo's face. So we need to build a head shape around it. We're going to do a curved line above the eyes. Do 1, 2 curved lines down to make his face. I'm going to go ahead and do a jump line up from the side of the face to the nose, and from the nose to the side of the face just to give some extra detail. Now kangaroos have these cool kind of pointy ears, so I'm going to do 1, 2 curved lines to make these kind of upside down teardrop shape for ears, and some smaller lines on the inside for some detail. Put our marker at the bottom of the chin and make a curved line that's almost a teardrop shape, so it's thinner at the top and thicker at the bottom. We're going to do a jump line here at the bottom inside oval for the top of his leg, and then another curved line around. And I know there's a black line here, but that's okay. We're going to work that in a minute. So now we have 1 foot. We're going to do another thin U shape, so we have another foot. I'm going to put 1, 2, 1, 2 curved lines in there to help me remember that those are his big old back feet. Now kangaroos have those little front legs. We're going to do 2 kind of V shapes with a little hand at the end. I'm going to do another one over here. 2 curved lines, a little hand at the end. And our kangaroo is going to have that beautiful long tail to help him balance. So we're going to do 1 curved line up from the back of the oval, 1 curved line up, meeting at the top.
And got tail.
That is the tail. And now we're going to try to work these lines in a little bit. So I like to just add more lines to show a curving part of the body. So now we have our kangaroo. We have our kangaroo's head, his ears, his body, his 2 feet, his 2 little arms, that big tail. All right, looking good. Now we know that kangaroo starts with
the
letter K. So we're going to do a big K and a little k just to help us remember. All right, it's time to add some color. So my assistant and I decided that our kangaroo is going to be blue, yellow, and orange because that's what looked good to us. Ta-da! Here's our kangaroo. We did it. That's wonderful. Remember, kangaroo is for K. Thank you for joining us at Bold Soul Whimsy. Please considering liking and subscribing. See you in the next one. Want to say bye-bye?
Bye bye.